customer information seen in the video is for illustrative purpose only. All the fields marked in asterisks are mandatory. This video illustrates the step-by-step screen flow on how a JioPOS agent can issue an MNP number to an individual customer through Digital KYC Aadhar using JioPOS Plus. Welcome to JioPOS Plus. To begin with, enter your user ID and password and tap on Login. Then tap on the ladder icon. Here, you will see a list of options available. Tap on the Jio Digital KYC to proceed. Now, select order type as Mobility from the list. And then tap on Done. Here on the pause screen, tap on Digital KYC Aadhar and then tap on Scan QR here icon to scan the QR code of Aadhar card. Upon successful scanning of Aadhar QR code, a message prompt pertaining to Aadhar QR code validation will be displayed. Now tap on Next. Tap on the icon to capture the front view of Aadhar. The phone camera will be switched on automatically for taking front image of Aadhar. Please ensure that the picture is clearly seen and complete. Tap on Use this photo to save the image. On capturing the image successfully, you can tap on Preview button to view the captured image. Tap on the cross icon to close the image. Similarly, in order to capture the rear view of Aadhar, tap on the icon. The phone camera will be switched on automatically for taking rear image of Aadhar. Please ensure that the picture is clearly seen and complete. Tap on Use this photo to save the image. In order to view the captured image, you may click the Preview button. Tap on Next to proceed. Tap on the cross icon to close the image. Since Aadhar is used as POI and POA both, POA as Aadhar will be auto-selected. Tap on Next to continue. Now, JioPOS Plus will prompt you to capture customer's photograph. Tap on the icon to capture customer's live photo. Ensure that the photo close-up is till the shoulder length, equivalent to passport-size photograph with a white background. Please note, photo is captured once face is aligned in the camera module. Tap on Next to proceed. Now, JioPOS Plus device will prompt you to capture agent's live photograph. Tap on the icon to capture agent's live photo. Ensure that the photo close-up is till the shoulder length, equivalent to passport-size photograph. Please note, photo is captured once face is aligned in the camera module. Tap on Next to proceed. Customer details are auto-populated. Here, you need to make a note that if the customer's date of birth and father name does not populate, then enter the same manually. In case the father name is misspelled, then make necessary corrections. Scroll down to enter further details. Please note that fields marked in asterisks are mandatory and needs to be filled in manually if not auto-populated. Next, enter mobile number used for customer signature and select relationship type with the customer, that is self, family member or relative, and known person. In case mobile number used for customer signature belongs to self, then tele-verification PIN will be sent on the same number. Else, customer to do tele-verification by dialing 1977. Please note that number can be edited and OTP can be resent by tapping on Resend OTP after 3 minutes. Also, remember to select mobile type as mobile or business or home for alternate mobile number. Successful OTP delivery message to agent and customer will appear on screen. Note: do not enter POS mobile number in mobile number used for customer signature and alternate mobile number field. Now, tap on Customer Received OTP checkbox. And then tap on Next. On the Order Details page, select the product type as opted by the customer. In this example, Prepaid has been selected. Now, select the appropriate plan from the plan list. Now enter the reference number code. In this case, we had entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then tap on OK. And then tap on the scan icon to scan the QR code as seen on the SIM jacket. SIM details will auto-populate such as ICC ID, IMSI and MSISDN. Now tap on MNP radio button and enter MNP details such as mobile number that needs to be ported, UPC code, UPC generation date, select service provider name and select connection type. Tap on Save to proceed. Tap on Next. In the next screen, you will find customer details. Customer have to verify their details and then provide consent. Tap on Details verified by customer and then tap on Proceed. Here, in the customer and agent OTP validation screen, customer has to enter OTP received on his mobile number used for customer signature and then tap on I have read the customer consent. Ask customer to read complete consent and tap on OK. Now agent have to enter the OTP received on his registered number and tap on I have read the agent consent. Agent to read complete consent and tap on OK. To validate all details, tap on Validate OTP. Thereafter, enter the last 5 digits of ICC ID seen on SIM jacket. With this, the customer and agent OTP validation is successful. Tap on Proceed to generate digital CAF. The Digital KYC CAF PDF will be generated. Tap on the back icon to process further. With this, order has been successfully submitted. Please make a note that a tele-verification PIN will be sent to the customer's alternate mobile number if it is declared as self. Tap on Done to complete the process. Congratulations! With this, you have successfully completed the step-by-step screen flow on how a JioPOS agent can issue an MNP number to an individual customer through Digital KYC Aadhar using JioPOS Plus. Thank you.